Hey guys, welcome to VRK Homemaker. A very good evening to everybody, and so welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna do the garden video. It is really amazing videos. Today I'm gonna show it's everything natural. The beginning and before going to the garden video, here I'm just giving few green leaves and beetroot to the cow so that it is really good for us. And this actually my sister believe all this, so she's doing it, and every Saturday if we give few green leaves and beetroot it's good for us, and that is the reason she does this. And now next move on to the garden video. Before that, who are watching me for the first time, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new notification. And here if you see, this is a crown garden as well. It is a flat beans garden, which is really a season vegetables you can say. And here everybody love corn garden as well as the flat beans. These are the season, so that is the reason wherever we go we found this, thought of making video. We are on the way to village, so thought of making a video on this garden, so just made it. How greenery it is, how beautiful to see this view, right? Wow. And these are few tur dal garden. And these are really very less I think, but still the growth is really good. And this side you can see few millets only everywhere. They're growing millets here, and those are the few gardens which are really next to the next, so that is the reason I just made this video to show you guys. And this is a grass, very fresh grass for that wind. It was so beautiful to see this atmosphere around me. Thought of making and showing you guys, sharing with you in our channel. This is really amazing video guys. And the next we are going to move on to the carrot garden. This is really awesome garden guys. I was really surprised watching the carrot garden here. And this is our nearly, I don't know for which how much square feet they have just done this. I don't have an idea, but the other part which in front of this garden there was also a carrot garden, but this is in a growing stage guys, and it is not, maybe this is a baby carrot still, but still it is not in the mature stage. And this is carrot garden, really takes 70 to 80 days to mature this carrots. So you look at the baby carrots, they've already left in the garden itself, because I don't know, maybe good quality will be supplied to the market, but here it is a baby carrots, and maybe quality also not that good what we expect in the market. So that is the reason they left the remaining carrots in the garden itself. So look, this is also a carrot garden, as I told you. Opposite also there is a carrot garden. This is what they have really, they have almost they have sold those carrots, and remaining carrots and all they have thrown over there. And here it is a very growing stage. It is in the baby carrots. Maybe another 30 days it might takes, I feel. I don't have an idea how they will cultivate and how they are forming or how they water everything. But here they are doing the drip irrigation only, if you observe. And I tried to pluck one, but it was I couldn't do that. And the other one I tried, but even I'm gonna show that video also. It was really amazing experience guys. So you watch this video, definitely you'll also feel wow. So guys, now I'm just gonna try how it is going to look inside. So this is how it is, because if it is it is not so watery over there, so that is the reason I could not pluck. It was so very dry, so that is the reason it didn't come when I pull. Thought of, I tried to pluck over there, and now I just try to pluck few more. So look how greenery it is, completely greenery, and it is very healthy also. It's good for our health if you drink carrot juice. And here look guys how it is looking. They have thrown no remaining, maybe it is a second quality, or maybe waste of remaining the carrots which they had it. So that is the reason they left over there in the land itself. And a few I thought of plucking from the land. And guys, I'm doing nowadays video updating around 5 o'clock 5 p.m, so don't miss my videos, watch complete videos. And who are watching me for the first time, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, share this video, like this video. Definitely the greeneries, everybody love to watch this, right? And here even we went with a family, so thought of even my son loved to do, so I told you know he loved gardening, he loved to grow few things which he is able to do. Some wheat grass he was growing at home, so even that is also he is very much interested in watering everything. So same way here also I try to pluck one at least carrot to show you guys. So I tried very baby carrot it is, wow, but it is there left over there, so that is the reason I tried that. I don't want to like take risk in their garden, so I don't want to pluck also without their permission. So to show you guys, I just plucked this baby carrots here, and it is awesome experience I really felt. And even my son, when he saw the way I plucked, he told even I will also pluck. So even he tried, even my mom also tried. So look, it is not that good quality, but it I think it still have to reach the maturity level, so it is not the right time to pluck, I think. So we are just plucking the baby carrots here. So even my son is plucking now. He was so happy plucking the carrot. He loved carrot to have also. And then we took these baby carrots to home, and he was enjoying while having. And guys, this is a finger millet garden. These are the saplings still, because it is a rainy season. Definitely everybody who have a land, they will show a little bit of interest to sow these finger millets, because they're very easy in the rainy season, I feel. And guys, this is still in the sapling stage only. I hope you really like all these gardens. If you really like, please give a big thumbs up, and let's catch up with a new video tomorrow. Until then, take care, bye bye.